Welcome to the Mariners Club in Key Largo. Our vacation almost came to an end before it began because the hardest part was actually getting through the front gate. We couldn't figure out which entrance to use, and with the driveway this narrow, it felt like we were testing our driving skills before they even let us in. Somehow we made it through without filing an insurance claim though, so this is a very successful start. Our first impression was, wow, this 2,300 square foot townhouse felt massive. The open layout was bright and modern. Every floor had its own thermostat. So finally, peace in the thermostat wars. And there was even a games area to keep us entertained. The stairs were a bit of a workout though, but once we reached the top floor, it was worth it. Look at the size of this TV. Everything was spotless, fully furnished, and it felt like a home away from home. The master bedroom featured a king-size bed, another huge TV, and a spacious ensuite with a corner spa tub, separate shower, and wait, a bidet. I guess we're living the fancy life now. Then, while I was admiring the bathroom, I nearly jumped out of my skin because I thought someone was staring at me through the window. Turns out it was just this incredibly realistic sculpture head. Considering we're 3 stories up, I probably should have figured that out a little sooner. The decor was thoughtful throughout the house, but my favorite feature had to be the private balcony. Perfect for enjoying Florida sunshine. With 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and enough beds to comfortably sleep 10. There's plenty of room for the whole family in this house. And if you like to cook, the kitchen won't disappoint. It was huge, had lots of counter space, and came fully stocked with pots and pans, had everything we needed to make home-cooked meals. Although, let's be honest, we're in Florida Keys. There's a pretty good chance we're gonna be eating seafood instead. Oh, and yes, the property had free Wi-Fi. And when you're ready from a break from the sun, the clubhouse has you covered with an awesome games room featuring a pool table, a vintage cash machine, look at this thing, dominoes, ping pong, and plenty more to keep everyone entertained. Speaking of relaxing, the resort has multiple swimming pools and hot tubs, making it a perfect place to cool off underneath the hot Florida sun. My personal favorite had to be the Waterfall Grotto Jacuzzi. It felt like a hidden oasis, and honestly, I could have stayed there all day. There were plenty of lounge chairs all around the pool too, giving me the perfect opportunity to try to make a new friend. I think I almost succeeded. Hi. 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 If you're more into staying active than perfecting your tan, for a fee, the resort offers indoor and outdoor pickleball courts. We didn't have time to try everything, which just gives us an excuse to come back. And just look at these views. Not a bad backdrop for a vacation. Overall, we definitely recommend coming to the Mariners Club. Great accommodation, fantastic amenities, beautiful scenery, and hey, I even made a new friend. I'd call that a successful trip. Have you been here before? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, take care.